It's Rob at J-Tech again, and today what I'm going to do is demonstrate how to prepare this wire with a heating gun, some solder, and some heat shrink that I already have on the wire. Now the first thing you want to do is when you're repairing a wire is you want to make sure you give yourself enough exposed wire. So I normally go about 3/4 of an inch back and twist them together to give you that good, nice, solid piece of wire. Next, what you'll do is you'll actually take the two wires and you'll hook them together and then twist them together. Just like so. Next, you're going to get your solder and your gun. And you're going to heat up your solder just enough to get it to where it starts running. Once you get it start running, you're going to put your gun underneath the wire and let the solder do the rest. Just like so. You're gonna have to heat up the wire. It may take a minute to do so. As you can see, that's not a very good soldering job there, but I'm just trying to show you the basics and get it. Next, you'll take your heat shrink and as you can tell, it's not going to fit over my wire, but I'll show you how to use that anyways. And what you do is you take your gun, you turn it on, just like a blow dryer. You go back and forth on the heat shrink until it shrinks up against the wire. Now you don't want to shrink it too much, and then of course how you can tell if the heat shrink has been overheated is it'll crack or it'll start actually melting. So I mean, I got a good connection. The wire is still exposed, as you can tell in the video, due to the thickness of the wire. My heat shrink wasn't thick enough, so that's how you repair this wire properly. So other than that, ain't nothing to it.